Welcome back to the YouTube channel over here at B&K Performance. Just got here. This is day number 8 working on the race car. We got a lot done yesterday. I did end up welding this bar in completely last night before I left, so that's a good thing. So today what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how to mount our anti-roll bar. So we're going to slide it in. We figured out where it's going to go. It's going to go right in between the X braces, and then it's going to be, we'll have to tab it off and do that a little bit later, but we're going to get that bar installed tonight. I don't have a ton of time to work on it tonight, but the big reason I came over tonight, I wanted to get that installed, and we are going to, support that bar. We're going to triangulate it from the cross member up to that. And then this, oh boy, I got these from my buddy Junior Bissett. This is a big tire right here, son. This is we're going to see if it fits. It's like on a 14 or 15 inch wide rim. I think it's a 15. But that is the size of the tire. So we want this car to be able to fit big tires and small tires. We don't know if that's going to be the right offset and back spacing for that to fit down up in the car. This is currently this is a 29.5, and this thing looks freaking tiny. That's a 29.5. So these race stars are going to be for sale with this 29.5 Pro bracket radial. All right, guys, so that bar is now installed. It will definitely work. So it is a full weld all the way around. Not the best TIG weld ever, but it is getting better with every weld I make, and proper fit up is huge. So Brian's back there now. He's making the tabs for the anti-roll bar. So we're gonna go ahead and get that on here, and we're gonna slide the rear end back in. Looking good. I think we're making good progress. Yeah, these welds are getting a little better. Not bad. All right, guys, we had to put my phone on the charger for a second, but Brian, we didn't have the tabs, so Brian made us some tabs real fast. I bought this thing on. This is one of the Boron style. So this is awesome. So I just got it taped into place there. That's going to be the final home. I'm going to get it measured up, get it in the exact right spot, and then we'll weld this on real fast. All right, guys, the anti-roll bar mount is in, so that is good. I am going to end up triangulating off of that bar down to that bar right there instead of going all the way to the bottom. That'll make sure that, it'll be, instead of an X, I'm not doing any more X's. That X brace was very difficult, so it won't be an X, but it'll be a triangulation. It'll keep the anti-roll bar more secure, so we'll do that. That's not going to happen today, though. So what I'm fixing to do now, that's all the welding I'm going to do tonight. We're going to go ahead and shove the other rear end back in, and we're going to see if these big tires will work. These things are huge. They're like 14 or 15 inches wide, and that tire is a monster. We want to be able to get a big tire on it. We may have to change that inner plate there. So we're going to see in a second, see how they fit. And I do have a set of double bead locks over here that I got, and these are going to be for my small tire stuff, but they're only 10 inches wide, so we're going to have to figure it out. I want to be able to, put big tires on it. I don't know if I'm going to run this big of a tire, but if we can fit it, then we're good to go. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, guys, bad news. These wheels are not going to fit. These things, when we just actually measured them, I thought they were 14s or 15s, but they were actually 16 inches wide from inner bead to inner bead, and there's just way too much hanging out here. Junior said he's got some different centers that we might can move it into car just a little bit, but I don't think it's going to work. These are some wheels that Brian had laying around These are old Convo Pros. That's actually look, not Convo Pros, they're center lines, but they actually look pretty good. But those are 14 inches wide, 7-inch back spacing, and then 7 on this side. So 7 and 7, basically it's in the middle. That actually doesn't fit terrible. I mean, it's still tucked up under there pretty good though. I mean, but it's, you know, it's definitely, it potentially would work. Those Race Stars, those are coming off. I'm gonna be selling those. It looks like it's a 10-inch wide wheel. It is the Pro Bracket Radial 29 and a half, I think it said. So yeah, 29 and a half, 10.5. So I'm gonna be selling these. If you know anybody interested in these, $300 local, you gotta come get them. So I'm gonna try to put those double bead locks on real fast and see what they look like real fast. Okay, so these are the Pro Bracket Radials on these double bead locks. Man, they are tucked way up under there. This back spacing is like, wow. So, man. So we got to figure out what we're going to do. That is, we got plenty of clearance. Boy, that is a little tire. It just gets lost up in that fender well. So 7 and 7, honestly, a 14-inch wide wheel with 5-inch back spacing is perfect. 14 inches wide, 5 inches back spacing. That's what I think I need. The question is can I run these wheels here on limited setup? These might be, Brian, I could run these for my Hoosiers, like when we're doing no prep racing. That way we got our own tracks inside of everybody else's. This is when big tire car puts on small tires. Yeah, those are 15 by 10s. Yeah, so they're only 10s. So we got some decisions to make, but they are tucked under there. That little rear end is definitely interesting. All right, guys, well that's it. We're done. Day number 8. We got some stuff accomplished. I think it was fun. We had a good time. All right, guys, y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Y'all go fast and get some win likes. We're working hard. All right, later, guys.